What's up, guys? Hunter here at Performance East with Performance East TV, joined by Abram from our parts department. Today we're going to go over the top 5 accessories for your Can-Am HD11 Defender. Now, whether you just bought one or you're looking at buying one and you want to make it your own, these are going to be our top 5 upgrades. There's plenty more to choose from. These are just our top 5. I'm going to let Abram take over from here, and I'm going to stop talking.
Okay, let's first start off with everybody's favorite thing to put on a side-by-side, and your HD11 is going to be ready for these 33-inch moto rallies. You're not going to have any problems with scrubbing or wearing. You don't need to adjust your A-arms because from the factory, they're going to be able to clear these no problem. And this is a really nice raceline crank. It's just a good example of wheels that you can go for that have a nice clean look, but still, you know, they're not anything too expensive. You don't need a beadlock when you run up and down the road, which is what these moto rallies will be great for, as well as handling all terrain, whether you're on the farm, the yard, even trails if you like West Virginia, Windrock. But if you're someone who's more into mud riding, or you want to go through some water and do some water wheelies, we have different sets of tires for you. You just let us know what you're looking for. Right here we have the Ravek turn signal kit. It's the Speakeasy edition for your HD11, and inside it's got almost everything you need to make your HD11 street legal. Just check your state's regulations for anything that it's missing. We have these awesome Apex lights which go in your factory bumper. They can tie into the other Ravek lights, such as the cab lights, the bed lights. So this edition, being the Speakeasy, has a special module which makes install a lot easier from your front to back harnesses. Believe me, you're gonna love this. It's got this awesome column, which I know a lot of people have been asking for. Make it just like your car or truck. You're gonna control turn signals, hazard, horn, as well as a special bonus feature of a chase light functionality that we'll show you in a later video. Comes with a few other things that you'll need: a horn, your license plate holder, and that's the harness that's super easy to install. So we're gonna stick with Ravek and go on to an awesome hidden accessory many people don't realize they need. When you're going from your truck to your side-by-side and you just got done working a long day, or you're going to check on your critters on the farm at night and you're getting out, dome light. This one is awesome because it also has not just a rocker switch for you to cut it on and off manually when you're inside, but it's got a pair of magnets that go in your driver and passenger door. So anytime you open the door, it's going to pop on, and as soon as you shut it, cut back off. Don't worry about killing the battery. We've got plenty of these here. Come by and see us for one. Next up, we have Trail Icon's adjustable center console. And you're asking, what's that? Well, did you know that your HD11's middle seat can double as an armrest, but often from the factory, the way it folds down is too low for most folks' comfort. So Trail Icon has come up with a solution. This is lovely packaging. This bracket is going to go on the back behind your middle seat that when it flips down, and have a couple of brackets that attach to it, so you can attach that cushion and adjust it up and down to whatever height feels comfortable. You've got a couple cup holders in there, and you've got room for like pocket knife, keys, other little tools, whatever you might need. This right here is gonna make it super easy to use that functionality of your HD11. So come on and get one. All right, we saved the base for last. This is the Can-Am HD11 subwoofer that goes right under your passenger seat. If you've got a limited or a Lone Star, which comes with one already, you can have one or two if you have a back row. All you need is a little secondary harness connecting together. It's going to tie into your vehicle's main harness, which is already ready to connect to the subwoofer. You're going to go into your factory touchscreen, that fancy thing, calibrate the audio real quick. It takes like 3 steps in only a few seconds. And this is going to be the best factory upgrade you can make to your audio system. Because not only are you going to hear it, you're going to feel it.
All right, guys, hope this video helped you guys choose some accessories to accessorize your new or used HD11 Defender. If there's any of these parts here that you want, give us a shout here at Performance East. Ask for the parts department, they'll get you taken care of. This industry is constantly growing, so if you think we missed anything, put it in the comments below. Like I said, this is our top 5. Your top 5 might be a little different. You got anything to add, Abram?
Absolutely. I mean, you guys are the ones out there riding all the time with your machine. Do you see someone else's? Let us know in the comments. Again, give us a call. My direct line is 984-250-7514. Text me what you see if we can find it, and can we get it better than what you found somewhere else. We're always here to help you guys and get you after riding, whether you want to have the ultimate mud machine, the ultimate farming machine, or that peephole machine and turn on the eyes around town.
I think that pretty much sums it up, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. The videos are going to be coming every Thursday for you guys. Boat videos will come on Tuesdays. ATV side-by-side off-road on Thursdays. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.
Performance East TV.